Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about something very important in the world of technology, the difference between open source and proprietary platforms. We've all heard of Google, Linux, Windows, and Apple, but how are they different when it comes to being open or closed? Let me explain. Topic 1. Introduction. 2. Key differences. 3. Examples. 4. Advantages. 5. Conclusion. What is open source?
Let's start with open source. Linux is a perfect example. It is an open source operating system. This means that the code is available to everyone, and anyone can change it, customize it, and even redistribute it. You have complete control over what the software does, and you can modify it to suit your needs. That's the real power of open source, freedom and flexibility. What about proprietary or closed software?
On the other hand, we have closed or proprietary software, which includes Windows and Apple's macOS. These systems are widely used and offer great features, but they are closed source. This means that users cannot access or modify the source code. The companies, like Microsoft and Apple, control the code and how the software operates. While you can use these operating systems, you don't have the freedom to change or improve them in the same way you can with Linux. Let's also consider Google and the Google Play Store. While Google has some open source projects, its core services like Android or the Play Store are not fully open. You can use them freely, and you can download apps from the Play Store, but you cannot change the underlying code of these apps or services. This is similar to how Windows and macOS operate. You get access to the platform, but not the ability to alter it. Free doesn't always mean open. Just because software is free to use doesn't mean it's open source. For example, you can access Google, Windows, or macOS for free in some cases, but you cannot change their code. Proprietary platforms, like Windows or apps from the Google Play Store, let you use the software, but the company controls the code, and you can't modify it. In contrast, with Linux, not only is it free to use, but you also have the ability to edit and customize the system as needed. This is the key difference between open source software and proprietary systems. 2. Key differences. Control. Open source gives user control. Proprietary keeps control with the company. Freedom. Open source allows changes. Proprietary does not. Cost. Open source is often free. Proprietary software might require payment, but with limitations on changes. 3. Examples. Open source, Linux, Firefox, OpenOffice. Proprietary, Windows, macOS, Google Play Store apps. 4. Advantages. See this: open source, flexibility and control. Large community support, collaboration friendly, proprietary software, stable, standardized experience, professional support and frequent updates. 5. Conclusion. Both open source and proprietary software have their place. Open source is best for those who want flexibility and control, while proprietary software provides stability and convenience without needing to worry about making changes.